Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. So today here we are back with a new video on our Revit challenges playlist. I was supposed to be uploading a video on our Revit architecture series, but again things got messy. I got busy and I could not upload any video on that one. But again, yes, that will be the final video on the architecture series, which I will be posting next week. And then we will start a new fresh series on Autodesk Construction Cloud. But as of now, this video is going to be on Revit challenges playlist, where I want to teach you how you can interact with a linked model in a unique manner. There comes a difficulty with the linked model when the linked file is too heavy, or there are many linked files that are coming into picture. And in that scenario, we don't need to interact with all the elements. There becomes a need to interact with a single element. Yes, we can turn off the category, we can turn on the category, but again, if there is something which can make your work easier is copying the elements from the linked file. Okay, and many of you are unaware how the copying of the elements works from the linked file. Okay, so I just want to show you a quick way of copying the elements from the linked file. Sometimes what happens is, based on the requirement, there is an element which is present in the linked file. Somehow you want to get that element in your home link, in your host link. But again, many of you are unaware and you go through so many other methods, and at the end of the day you decide, okay, you have to remodel that. So here I'll teach you the effective way of copying the element from the linked file. And this video is going to be very short, because this is just one option that I will be demonstrating. For example, you consider that this is a stairs which you want to model it again. And as you can see here, this is a stair where everything is grayed out, and if I place my cursor here, it says that this stairs is coming from linked architectural file. This is a structural model. Okay, so what happens is, you have made up your mind that if this stairs is in your model, somehow you can interact with the stairs and you can do a bit of modification instead of modeling this entire stairs right from the scratch. So in that case, what you can do is, you can simply place your cursor on the stairs, you press tab, you select the stairs, and just cross verify which element is selected. When you do that, after that, what you will be doing, you will come here in the modify tab, and then you will simply copy to clipboard. Once you copy to clipboard, you will come here and then you will align. You will select this option of align to same place, and you will press OK. Once you do that, what will happen? There is a stairs that has come in from the linked architectural model. I will close this, and you will see here that there is no linked model, but still there is the stairs that has come in from the linked model. Okay, and now as this is the stairs which has come from the linked file, you can interact with this element, you can do a lot of things, and if everything is fine, you can keep the stairs and you can delete the stairs from the linked model. Sometimes what happens when you are working in an architectural model, there is a stairs that will be coming from the structural model. You just have to provide finishes, but the stairs will be there in the structural model. Okay, so you can simply reduce the thickness of that one, and then there are a lot of things you can do, and you can make your work easier using this effective technique. Okay, as of now, I'll copy one more element here. I will enable architectural link, and then what I will do, I will copy this particular element here. You see here that this is a pergola. Okay, So here I will press tab, and when you see it here, when I place my cursor here, see this element is coming from arc model. I will select this as well, and then this pergola also. Okay, see what has happened. 3 pergola items are there now. Again, these all are coming from arc model. I will simply go here, copy the clipboard, and then align to same place. When I do that, what happens? It has come in our model. I will close the linked file and see. This element has come in our model, and the model has become so smooth that I can interact with this element. I can understand where exactly I want other elements to be coming in, the surrounding of this one. Once everything is done, I can simply delete this. Okay, I can simply delete this, and then I can turn on the link once everything is done, just for creating a coordinated view. See here, everything, even this railing has come in along with the stairs. Okay, so this is a thing, this is the option which makes our modeling very very effective, but we are not using because many of us are unaware of this. Okay, so this is what I wanted to demonstrate, and yes, next week we will meet in the final video of our architecture series. So until then, as always, let us rise and shine together. Thank you so much, learners.